Hey everyone, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to create something like this.
The story of Giant started in 1944. Long time ago. But how can we give the history? Unless we use this more than techniques. Which is called green screen or chroma key.
A key. Open After Effects and create new composition. Import your background into your After Effects. Import your video into your After Effects. Apply 3D effects. Please note, you need to record your video in green screen or chroma. You can use the anchor point, X rotation and orientation. Close this option. Then open Scale. Select the actor layer, right-click, go to Effect, Keying, then Key Light, apply it to your video. Please to know more about how to remove green screen, check it in the link description below. We have to adjust some setting here. Cool. Select all the layer, press Ctrl+A, right-click, go to Pre-Compose. Now go to Windows, then Wiggler. Press P to create keyframe. Select both the keyframe go to Wiggler, then apply. This Wiggler is to add camera shacking. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel. See you soon.